The Bankers Institute of Rural Development, BIRD, set up the Center for Professional Excellence in Cooperative, or CPEC.
NABARD has been traditionally involved in institutional development of its client institutions. NABARD is fully committed to such institutional initiatives and is also committed to supporting the activities of CPEC. With this aim in view, Center for Professional Excellence in Cooperative, CPEC, has been established by NABARD and has been located in BIRD. To enhance technical competency of manpower in cooperative institutions, CPEC will undertake accreditation of cooperative training institution, certification of faculty in cooperative training institutions, and standardization of professional courses to be undertaken by these training institutions.
Cooperatives in India have the largest outreach amongst the rural financial institutions. For the millions of farmers across the country, cooperatives are the facilitators of a better tomorrow. The Bankers Institute of Rural Development always believed in the power of the cooperatives. So, to better use the cooperatives' outreach, CPEC, to ensure the availability of professional staff with the cooperatives for efficient delivery of banking and financial services.
We are in the field of providing training to the cooperative bank staff of throughout Tamil Nadu for the last 25 years, and we have stepped into the Silver Jubilee year this year. During all these 22 years, we have been providing training programs which was in a very conventional way. But after having established this CPEC, main focus was to standardize and accredit and to provide a certification, etc. The activities since the inception of CPEC, the training activities of the entire cooperative training colleges have been totally changed, and we were able to provide a very quality training to the staff of cooperatives throughout India.
This cooperative training should be imparted to our staff and to people, and NABARD officers have come forward through CPEC to give that professional excellence in the cooperatives, which is exactly our requirement. If only that is given to our staff, probably we may do a much better work. And then there is an accreditation between the Cooperative Training College and the NABARD, and in the last 3-4 years, they have given lot of inputs, and there is a sea change in their outlook and in the training programs. I wish the same will be extended to every PACs in the entire area and make them a pakka professionals, a thorough professionals.
I had received training at CPEC in BIRD. At CPEC, we developed a better understanding of the cooperatives. We used to work before, but after going to CPEC, we realized that we can perform much better and also can help the farmers in a better manner. We come from a very poor family. I have 4 sons. 20 years ago, I used to work for a daily wage of ₹4 per day. I got 2,500 rupees as a loan from Bakka Sagra Seva Sahakari Society. 20 years ago, I purchased 5 sheep. Now, I have 100 grown-up sheep. Now, we purchased a cow. I took a loan of 5,500 rupees and purchased one. I continue taking loans, and now there are 5 to 6 cows. We have 4 acres of land. I developed this and fixed a borewell. After taking loan from this Sahakar Sangh, I have progressed.
The common Indian farmer isn't alone or clueless anymore. Right from the time he decides to sow the seeds, till the time he sells his yield, the cooperatives walk with him, holding his hands, showing him the right way. Today, thousands of cooperatives across the country are working to the best of their abilities and bringing in a better tomorrow.